Okay, here we are. I'm with little Tivnan.
Hello.
Benjamin, say hi. See a nice toothless smile? All right. Okay. All right, you're out of here. Okay.
Yes, I am.
All right, we're going to do day 8. That would be in the first video, day 8 said input box. That was the title of it. So I'm going to share my screen. And okay. So there's a lot of things going on the screen. I'm going to hide and clean this up first. So I'm just going to move this, just drag that down. I'm going to right click and unclick show object. So hide in this, hide this. You can even hide the reset button for now. All right, so the goal in this video is to get the input box. All right, and there's a command. There's actually a pull-down menu here for input box, but it doesn't seem to work very well. So I'm just going to type the command, input box. Now, you're going to type in pos. The variable we made in a different video is positive frequency, P-O-S-F-R-E-Q. Enter. So what this does is you enter or input a number, and it assigns that number to the variable positive frequency. We want to, all right, so we want to give this a caption, right? So settings, all right. Over here in settings, we'll type, we want to say input integer frequency. You know, really, we do want integers. We don't want decimals when we're doing this. So when we type that in, that's good. See, it types it here. This is a really long box, unnecessarily long. So just a little thing we can do is go to the length of the box, 4. These are just formatting issues here. All right, now to get to the main part of this, again, we're on the input integer frequency. This input box, we're going to go scripting on update. Let me make some room here. Okay, so in here, I'm going to put a command, if, parentheses, round. What this is doing is it's saying if the rounded off value that's put into the box is not equal to, all right, so go to this keyboard and see, we go to ABC and then the symbols. Yeah, it's right here. A little hard to find. Where did it go? Try this again. Settings, scripting. Okay, right there, I want to put in does not equal POSFREQ, comma, set value, parentheses, POS. So we're going to set the value to an integer, basically. By doing that, what we're going to, even if you entered a decimal into that box, it's just going to round it to the nearest whole number. So we're going to round to POSFREQ. Whatever you put in will round. And I always seem to miss a parentheses when I do this kind of thing. So let's just check it. Not equal, positive frequency, set value, positive. Okay. I think we're good. Okay. Bring this over. Away. It doesn't want to go away. Okay. And I don't know why it's animating, but let's stop the animation. All right. So when we, let's test it out. If we put in 1.6, rounds to 2. Good. If we put in 7.1, rounds to 5. That's not right. So the reason it's doing that is because when we created this variable called positive frequency, let's find it in this list. We defined it or I defined it as a slider that goes from like -5 to 5 or 0 to 5 or something like that. Where is it? Whoa, it's way up here. Okay, so we're going to go, yeah, it's going from -5 to 5 on the slider. So we're going to now go over here. What we want the slider to do is actually not go from negative at all. We want to start at 0. And we want to go up to n divided by 2. I'm going to increment by 1. Okay, remember n was the number of points in the list that after we took all the points we divided, we took every 10th point. It was some length called capital N. Okay, and again, I got some kind of animation going. I don't want that to happen. So what we're going to do is test this out again. So let's go 7.1 again. Good. It rounds to 7. And my n was 92 or something. So my highest value I could put in here is 46. So 45.9. Oh, again, 45.9 is 43.5. That's weird. 43.9. Well, that's not expected. Oh, maybe my highest value is 80 something. Slider and see what it looks like. Oh, just a 43.5. Oh, I guess, okay. So my n value was only 86 or 87. Yeah, 87. But that pretty much covers it, right? So we're actually going to go up not by the decimals, but only by, let's try 42.5. Okay, so round it up, which is what it's supposed to do. Okay, so that's day 8. I think we've covered all the bases. If not, I'll catch up on the next video. All right, we'll end it there.